This is the Iron Trader. It is Tuesday morning. So as usual, we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Okay, here we have crude oil daily chart, natural gas daily chart. Now, yesterday, rotten wild day. Okay, so we went right through the 21 day, right through the 200 day, through the 50 day, and then we finally got stopped at the 100 day. Okay, so yesterday we had a nice high there of 80.16. So far we had a high here of 80.15. So we got to see how this is all going to shake out. Now, is this going to be, create a bull flag, or is it going to come down and right down to the support level? So let's look at the upside here first. Okay, so this is going to be the key level that we're looking at right here is going to be, let me see if I can dial it in there for you. There we are. Okay. 80.22. That is your 100-day simple moving average. That's what we're looking for. Now, again, if we can get above that, then what we're going to do is we're going to look here at the top of this candle here. You're looking at 81.34. Then we're looking at the top of this candle here. You're looking at 81.93. Then we'll come over to the top of this candle. You're looking at 82.27. And then we have right here 83.10. Now, if we take this price channel and just bring it right across, 83.10. Now, your next big thing, target I should say, is just bring this price channel across. And what do we have? 83.74. And then we can come all the way up to here, 83.93. And then we have your big retest at 84.52, which was that double top situation here, okay? So right now, this is looking very, very bullish. We got to see exactly how it all shakes out. So again, if we can get above this key hundo here at that 80.22, then we just follow the candles up and then follow those price channels right across until we get the retest. Now, again, you break above the retest, well, then we have all these price channels going all the way back up here to 87.67. But that's a long ways off. We got to get through that 100-day here first. Now, let's just take a look here at the old downside. Well, very, very easy trading here because look at here. Your key support level, 78.93, 50-day. Okay, then we have your 200-day, 78.12. Right below that, you have 77.48. These are all your key support levels here if it starts selling off, okay? And then right below that, we have your nice 8-day at 76.12, which is curling up very, very nicely. Now, look at this nice cross that we have. That's a buying opportunity. Once that green crosses that red, very, very nice. We are right here. We had positive divergence. That's what led us all off. And this right now is looking very, very good. We got to see what's going to go on. Now, the big brouhaha going on in the Middle East here, this is what's raising this price right on up here. So, again, now remember, Dale, the API report will be out today at 4:30. We'll see how this is all going to shake out here and see if it confirms or what exactly is going to happen here. But oil here at $80 here, the old politicians in the U.S. are not going to like that. So there's going to be, so always have that, never have an opinion, I should say. Always have that in the back of your mind that somehow they're going to try to get the oil prices down. Problem is, no one's listening. That's the key is, okay? So again, upside right there, you're looking at 80.22. That's the key. You break out above that, we follow candles up, and there's your big target is 83.10, okay? Downside, very, very simple. Here we are, your 50-day, here, your 200-day, your 21-day, and your 8-day, all sitting there right in front of you. Now, if this 8-day curls up, goes above that 21-day here, you're going to rocket this price up much, much higher. Okay, let's take a look here at old natty gas. Now, you can see here how nice this was for a trade. Look at here. See? Okay. Now, your MACD, nice bullish cross. Once you get that, that means your momentum's there to the upside. We had this positive divergence that I've been pointing out for the last 2-3 weeks here. Told you that as this is rising, this is falling, which means this is going to take off here, and it did. Okay, so always look for the signs, look for a tail, look for something here that gives you a little edge. Okay, let's look how many nice days we had here of all nice green candles. Okay, very, very nice. So here we went right up in the 100-day, and then obviously it couldn't hold on. So today we have what we call just an inside day, which means your high and your low are inside the previous day. So let's take a look at the upside first. Okay, so what we want to watch is we want to watch right there, 2.24. That is your 100-day moving average, and then we can look through yesterday's high sitting at 2.256. So we get above that, you got that 2.27 level, which is sitting right here. Okay, that's going to be a target. Above that, then your big target is going to be right there at 2.35 and then 2.42. If you can close above that 100 SMA here, just like we have here on the crude oil. So this is following here pretty nicely, pretty much same kind of a chart situation. Now, downside, you can see here how this 8-day, see how this nice it is? Now it's starting to curl over. You break above that 21-day, that's going to give it nice support level here to take it right back up, just like we had here. Okay, see, once that 8-day crosses, then look what happens. It follows it right on up here nicely. But we got to see. But again, right now, we're just going to use that for support. Okay, 2.09. That is going to be very, very key. And then what we have here is 2.089. So you're pretty much sitting right there. That is going to be very, very key support level here, which I believe that it should hold. Now, again, if it doesn't, then we can just follow the candles down here. You got 2.02 here. We have 2.01, and then we can just take all these candles here right on down here, which you have 1.97. We have 1.92. We have 1.9, and then your big retest down here is 1.88. But I think right here with this pattern here, this does sell off here. This 8-day and this 21-day are going to hold that price. Okay. Now the key is going to be trading. Okay, so here's what you want to do is on the downside, you want to watch that 2.9 level. That'll give you your 8 and your 21-day. On the upside, we just want to watch that 100-day. So this is, we have that same range going on here. Okay, see how we had this range? It was from the bottom here, 1.88 to the 8-day, and then it broke above that. Then you had your 8-day, 21-day, and now we have this range here, your 21-day and your 100-day here on the top here. So we just want to trade this until she either going to pop right on up here. If it does, then we know that your big target is going to be your 200-day and your 50-day. If it breaks down, then we just follow the candles down here until we get a big retest down at 1.88. But right now, this could go just sideways action here. So just be very, very patient. Remember, seasonality here, the first week of September is a buying opportunity for natural gas and running that into the first week of the December here. Okay, so again, on crude oil here, just watch this 100-day. This is going to be everything. You need to close above it, not just pop above it like we had here on this 100-day and then come right down. You need to close above it. Then we can just start ratcheting it all the way up until we hit your target up there at 83.10. Downside, very, very easy here for support. Your 50-day, your 200-day, your 21-day, and your 8-day looking very, very nice. But this is looking very, very bullish chart here because look here, we just started with the cross. Okay, so this is looking like this could run very much higher. Now this is going to be terrible for gasoline prices, but going into Labor Day, but it should be good here if you are an oil trader like I am. Okay, I'll be back here for midday trading, and we will let's see what crude oil is doing, what natural gas is doing, and then we'll throw always something in the old mix. Now, just one quick comment here. NVIDIA, remember, their earnings are coming out on the 28th, so that's just right around the corner here. So you want to make sure that you want to get yourself into NVIDIA. I think they're going to have explosive numbers. We'll kind of see here, but again, I think it's going to be a real good chart. We might even do that there at midday trade. Okay, remember, trade what's in front of you, not what you want.